Hey guys, just thought I'd do a quick video, show you my day / night hog hunting rifle that I have here. The rifle itself is an LWRC M6A2. Very good rifle for me. It's quality. I think I probably got 2,000 rounds through it. Without a hiccup. Not one hiccup, not one malfunction. It is piston. I know a lot of guys out there poo-poo the piston concept, but I bought into what they were saying as far as if you're shooting suppressed or an SBR, piston's a little bit more reliable. I have found that cleaning it is a breeze, even though I shoot suppressed probably, I'm going to say 85-95% of the time. I do have the Troy flip ups, up and down sights, backup iron sights, front and rear, that came with it. Still running those. I know a lot of guys have gone away from backup iron sights. It's still a safety net that I like. I have the Eotech. That is the, I want to say the XPS with the magnifier. I bought those separately, not as a package. So that is the non-night vision compatible version. At the time, I didn't think that I would be into night vision, so I didn't get it. I'm running a helmet-mounted PVS 14 anyway, so for me, I run active versus passive. Did switch out the stock to a Magpul CTR. I do like that a lot. It's been a very good stock. Very comfortable. Just a Magpul foregrip there. I do have a DBAL A3. DBAL A3, I know you guys, there's a couple short videos of me playing with it. Love it, love it. Haven't had any issue. I know there's a video out there, a guy had an issue with the mount and had to send his back. Mine mounts up snugly, perfectly. It's worked perfectly since day one. So I got mine from, all my night vision stuff was from Tactical Night Vision Company. So they do a great job of making sure they send you good stuff. The weapon light is just the Inforce weapon mounted light. It is just a white light. It is not it's not the white / IR version. Again, when I bought it, I wasn't into night vision at all. But with the illuminator on the DBAL, you know, I don't see the need for a separate IR. Suppressor, AAC M4-2000. Love it. That's another one of my favorites. Really, the whole rifle is, I love the whole thing. The suppressor, the DBAL, the optics, CTR stock. Everything's been super reliable. Haven't had one issue with this rifle since I got it. Killed a couple hogs with it, and in about a week or so I will be heading down to Florida to night vision hog hunt for the first time with my new Nod setup. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm very oh, the sling is sorry, Blue Force gear, single point. not a guy that takes a lot of classes or anything like that, so, you know, my sling is just usually when I'm at the range or out hunting. That's been a good sling, though. Everything you say has been good for me, so I don't know. Leave your comments, the likes, or whatnot. Thanks. Peace.